Alright guys, we're going to do a little comparison between Prismatic Evolutions and Terastal Festival. I've got a booster box here of Terastal Festival and Prismatic Evolutions ETB. The amount of cards is roughly the same. There's 10 packs in the Terastal Festival and 9 in the Prismatic. So, let me get this. If I can get it open here. And with the current market, the cost is about the same. I can't believe I'm opening this, but here we go. Get that promo out of there. You do get a promo, obviously, in the Prismatic Evolutions ETB. We've got our booster packs. I definitely spent a lot more than market for these because I got these on Whatnot. Bidding on random wheel spins, so I definitely need to stop. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We don't get any energies in the Terastal Festival, so there we go. We will start with the Terastal Festival. That way we'll at least have some sort of a hit, because we are guaranteed hits in the Japanese packs if you buy a booster box. Here we go. We got a Pokeball Glaceon and an EX there. Got another EX. Another EX. Oh, losing the camera here. All right. I need to get some sort of a better camera arm instead of this tripod that we've got here, because it takes up the entire table space. There we go. We got a Vaporeon EX there. If I didn't have all these ETBs back here, I would have more room. So some of that's on me. There we go. We got another Pokeball and a Goldango EX. Ooh, there we go. We got our SAR. That doesn't mean that we can't get another one, but we did get one. So regular Flareon, Pokeball, another EX. EX. 2 packs left. We got an Ace Spec and a Glaceon EX. And then a regular EX. Oh my god. Alright, so pick these up here. Oh my god. Alright, so here's our hits. We got a Glaceon Pokeball, Glaceon EX, Pokeball, Special Art Rare, Pokeball, Vaporeon EX, and an Ace Spec. So we will set those over there, and we will get into our Prismatic now. Archaludon, Regigigas, Okie dokie. Nothing. I would love to master set this, but I don't have $100,000. So, Techno Radar, Baneri, Iron Golder. Earthen Vessel Pokeball. Alright, that's a hit. Amaris and Archaludon. Riolu, Goldeen, and a Lugia EX. Alright, I'll take that. It felt thick for some reason. Regular Leafeon Reverse, Hoot Hoot, and a Fluttermane. I need my luck to turn up here. We've been having no luck lately. Got a Great Tusk, Pokeball, Slowpoke Reverse, and an EVEX. Alright. That's not bad. That's not bad. Larvitar, Eevee, Noctowl Reverse. 2 packs left. Groudon, Dusclops, regular Flareon. Alright, last pack. Last pack magic. Dreepy, Rondong, and a regular Glaceon Hollow. So, Terastal Festival, we got an EVEX, a Great Tusk Pokeball, Lugia EX, and an Earthen Vessel Pokeball. So, you tell me which one you think is better. I personally think Terastal Festival is better than Prismatic. Japanese cards are better quality. You have guaranteed hits in every box. The value for a box of Terastal Festival is much better than the value of a box or just 10 packs of Prismatic Evolutions, because they're going for like $20 a pack right now for some reason. People have lost their mind, and I don't know why. The print quality is better. Hit rates are better. The cards look better. They feel better. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you guys to sell you on the fact that Japanese is better than English. English is more sought after. Hit rates are harder. That's why English costs more. But is it worth more? In my opinion, not really. But I mean, you can see right here the hits from Terastal Festival versus the hits from Prismatic. So you guys tell me what you think is better. Thanks for watching.